Hey guys, it's Jeff at DIomgY. It's cold, it's raining, I'm in the bus, and I'm gonna try to figure out if I can do something about this. See really how good the heater works. Here's what it is right now, 43 degrees. Chilly. Not too bad, but a little chilly. I'm gonna click on the propane, see how it does, and then work on layout a little bit. It's damn near cozy. It's a little eerie because it's kind of howling, but it's not bad, and it's warming up nicely in here. So you might notice I have lost a sweatshirt. It's warm in here, 77 according to this bad boy. So I cracked the front and the rear roof vents. Wasps are all dead by now, luckily. I cracked one window behind, nope, somewhere back there. There it is. It's steaming up a little bit in here, which is kind of to be expected. It's a ventless heater, so it's gonna be a little bit of condensation, but man, if it's not comfortable. I'm in socks, jeans, and a t-shirt at the moment, and it's in the 30s outside, and I'm doing just fine. So I think it's safe to say that this works. So check one off. I'm gonna have to mount it to the wall at some point. That's really probably the next step, but that's gonna wait until everything's kind of more dialed in. So I'm right now working on layout. Let's see if you can see any of the lines. There's a line. Modifications from the first one, pretty minor. Turning the bed 90 degrees. Yeah, getting the layouts over in here and over here for bunk beds, and then we'll kind of work our way forward, and soon I gotta start building. So really looking forward to that. Stay tuned.